On the box of Z7, so you get this 3 slot. So if you're gonna buy only the body, you're gonna get the right one. If you're gonna buy with the adapter, you're gonna get the left one and the right one. The top one is empty. This is for the lens. So if you're gonna buy with a lens, so this one will be filled with that lens. But as of now, I didn't get the lens, just the adapter and the body. So that's the adapter. So I've just unboxed the adapter over here. So it came with this cardboard cushy thing, and some of the bubble buttons over here. So that's the two things it came with for protection. And there you see the adapter over there. So that's the adapter. It comes with both the side cap, the front and the rear cap, and what is inside that is the adapter. So one side goes into your mirrorless camera, and the other side goes for your lens. It does basically autofocus and everything, so I'm sorry about that. It does all the autofocus and everything, so we don't have to worry about if you have a F-mount lens. I'm not sure about D-mount lens, but I'm just gonna give a try how it's gonna work, and I'll just post you another video on that. Alright, so I've just opened the box of the camera. Actually, on the right side you had the accessories, on the left side you had the body itself. As you can see, that's the body over there. So the Z7, and it comes with the operational manual and for Z6 and Z7, as well as it comes with the mounter adapter kit. It tells you how exactly you need to mount your adapter. And there on the right side, on the end of it, you have the bills and other promotional material from Nikon. And this is not part of the package. This is come separately, the 64GB XQD from Sony. So as Nikon has outsourced the XQD memory card because it is part of your Nikon Z7. So that's the one which actually is on top of the cover. So that's a 64GB XQD which has a read speed of 440 Mbps and a write speed of 150 Mbps. This is the first time I've seen read and the write speed is mentioned on a card, because in SD cards there is nothing like that. And you have a really bright yellow color tag for Nikon. This is the first time they're coming up with this yellow color thing, which I've seen in India. And you have the wire for the charger and the charger itself. This is the charger if you're gonna remove the battery and it's gonna charge. This is the one which you're gonna use the camera and then charge it. So this is a bit slower than this because this is an exclusive charger, and that is for mounting your the cables and other stuff on the side, so that you can just mount it without inconvenience. Or if you're just gonna charge it for a long time, so you can use this one. You have to remove the outer plates though. And that's the data cable. So this data cable is for transferring your data from your camera to your this system, or you can use it for upgrading your camera from firmware versions as well. So you can use all these parameters and the equipments which you have over here for the reasons which I've given you. So we will actually go for the review on the next video. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.